Okay, whether you're buying or selling, this video applies to both scenarios. If you ever come across a listing as a buyer, let's say the taxes for 2019, it shows this amount, okay? What you should do is click on Property Line PDR, and in here, once PDR populates, it will show you what the assessed values are. So this particular property is in Whitby, so what you can do is go to Google, and in Google, type in Whitby Property Tax Calculator. You see, this is an official Whitby website, which is what you want to use. And in here, you always check the year. So this is 2019. Now in 2019, the assessed value is this much. So if I go in and put this amount in here, tax class, residential, this should then spit out the amount. So as you can see, the actual tax in 2019, according to the calculator, is 17,000. So this amount is actually incorrect. Now, how do you verify? You always look at the tax bill because sometimes these calculators don't populate correctly. Now, there are certain places where certain municipalities where they don't have actual calculators. So for example, Vaughan won't give you the actual calculator. They don't have one. But if you search for tax rate, then in this situation, and be careful with interim billing. I'll cover what that means later. But these are the 2019 final tax rates. And on here, you can see the residential full rate is this much here, this percentage. So if I were to, for example, and I'm just going to use this as a example, but this property is not actually in Vaughan, so this calculation would be entirely incorrect. But if I were to take this amount, just to show you, and multiply it by this gives me my property taxes in Vaughan. Okay? And taxes are not the same across the board. Each municipality will have its own tax rate. So this is how you use this to calculate it. When you're buying, you always want to double check the tax values that are reported. And when you're listing, you definitely need to verify that and cross-reference that with either the tax department so that this isn't incorrect information and then ends up getting you in trouble. We'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.